Zoleka tells Mawetu that Lazarus wants to fire him. Lazarus corners Mawetu and questions him about his relationship with Zolega. Things are still tense between Zolega and Lazarus. He's still keeping his distance. And Leka invites to make it official. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So Zolega called Mawetu to the office and told him Uba Lazarus knows about them. They were sleeping together and wants to fire Mawetu. Mawetu is shocked, scared for his life, scared for his career because if he gets fired, Kusela is a big company and he was building his career, he's doing well. Now all of a sudden he's just gonna get fired for a fleeing. He says, "Most you know, it was just brief, it meant nothing." Mawetu for once admits that the relationship means nothing. And then begs Zolega, please don't let this happen. Zolega, no, don't worry, I'm not gonna let this happen. Mawetu is panicking, goes home and talks to his cousin. I'm worried about my job. But cousin, you know what? I don't think Zolega will tell Lazarus you guys were sleeping together. I mean, imagine telling your boss, that's the chairman. He would never do that. And then Mawetu is concerned because this guy wants to fire me. And considering the kind of man he is, he might even block me from working anywhere else. I mean, this is the end of me. He's panicking. He's all over the place. Cousin had to pull him together, saying, "Man, bro, focus. You need to pull yourself together." Mawetu did not even sleep. Finished a task or a project that was meant for 3 days and 1 night. Submitted to Onga. Onga in the morning was really surprised. When I didn't sleep, I'm giving you the day off. Go and rest. Nope, I'm not resting. I'll be on my desk, but thank you. And then he starts asking Guba, does HR fire people for my past relationships? Atuanga, no, not really. You just need to declare to HR and policies have not changed. So that's putting him away to at ease a bit because he's worried about being fired and he does not know where his future lies at the moment. And then Kawe questions Zolega, I heard you and that Lazarus talking about Mawetu in the office. It sounded really tense. I want you to know that I did not tell him anything. Zolega was like, no, I know that you'd never. And she's the one who caused this havoc. Mabhiza khuluma noZethu about the whole thing Zolega noMawetu. And then Kawe is concerned with, hey, things seem really tense. Are you sure you guys are okay? Artist is over right. Lazarus shows up, okay, says he doesn't want breakfast, and he completely ignores Zolega and just says his goodbye to Kawe, saying, have a good day, Ntombam. Ntombakhe kanjani, Ntombi yaZolega, this guy. He's all over the place. Zolega tries to talk to him, saying, let's put an end to this. Auntie, how can you put an end to it if Mawetu is still on the payroll? He wants Mawetu gone, but then Zolega had to leave because he's got a meeting in Onga somewhere else. And then Lazarus decides to call Mawetu to the boardroom. Mawetu is scared because he knows what's coming. He's just thinking Lazarus is just going to fire him on the spot right there. He walks into the boardroom to meet Lazarus, panicking, shaking. He sits down. Lazarus goes on about when I started Crusella, I was building a legacy. When you came in, you reminded me of myself, and you were ambitious and hungry and young. And then you built a lot of trust, nama systems, Lana, but then you broke it. Waimosha. Ati and then Mawetu starts apologizing. I'm so sorry. And then he says, you touched something that you touched a woman in Sharanaikaya, you slept with a woman that I share home with, umama umntwana, like the mother of my child. And Mawetu is just sitting there, eyes wide open, what do you say to a chairman, the boss of the company, who has power to just fire you at the spot? And then he says, and then you smiled at me, calling me say, you know nothing. How did you think this was just going to stay covered forever? And then he says, then there's Kawe, my stepdaughter, innocent, and then you played her. Men like you think you can just play with people and leave them heartbroken. No, it was I honestly did not know. I had no intention to hurt Kawe. And then Lazarus starts asking, the question that he's been asking Zoleka, saying that he wants to know all the details, when it started, when it happened, and what time, what date, blah, blah, blah. Zoleka refused to answer all those questions, but then he said, yeah, now he can't fix something that he cannot picture. So he wants all these details so he can picture the situation. I don't know what he wants to picture, so he can fix it. And then he's corners Umawethu and starts asking him all these questions. Obviously, Umawethu is scared. Umawethu is going to answer everything that happened. Umawethu then tells him, mina no Zoleka, when we met overseas and we didn't think we were gonna meet again. I was shocked to see her here. Not to mention we say CEO. And then she ended things, and then I met Kawe. I knew she was the one, and then I dated Kawe, only to find that Kawe is Zoleka's daughter. And then I regretted it so much because now you understand the entanglement. I was with the mother, now I'm with the daughter. And then Lazarus wants to know, because we're still sleeping together when she became CEO. Atika, we were not. I would never do that. I was not sleeping with her then. And says that and then Mao just starts giving information that he could have omitted, saying that Zoleka, after Kayo found out that she was her mother, Zoleka phoned him and wanted them to go back to them sleeping together again. But Mawethu refused. You could just see the look in Lazarus' eyes, which he was hurt. Zoleka wanted this. Mawethu is the one that refused. I hope now that he got what he wanted, he's going to rest, because this is what he wanted, Kanene, so he got it. He must just be happy or be at peace with it. And then, Legamva said they make things official. Legamva told Uzethu he wants her to be his girlfriend. And they solved it with a kiss, like he doesn't want to play and beat around the bush. He knows what he wants, and he's been liking Uzethu for a long time. And then he invites Uzethu to graduation dinner at Tumeka. And Uzethu is like, so is what? Kawe's friend at Ka is my girlfriend. At how we're already meeting parents. I've never been asked to be anyone's girlfriend, let alone meeting parents. At Ligamva, I don't want to waste time. You're in my heart, and my parents know you and they love you already. So why not? Hey, Uhlata, I wonder what he's going to say. And then Uhlengiwe ke Zondo says that she got an email. They've granted her appeal yokuba suspended, so I mean now she wants to just start a small law firm and operate alone. Akasafuna ukubuyela in the old company. Lilian phones uSydney saying that she's in Dubai and that she'll be back at the end of the month so they can continue with their mission. Hi lovers, they must just rest. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.